We will draw a figure of stairs, say in first quadrant, and then we will be finding its mirror image with respect to x-axis and y-axis. That is by taking x-axis as mirror first and then y-axis as the mirror. For the same, we are plotting some points in the first quadrant and we will be joining them to obtain the figure of stairs. The points A, B, C, D, E and so on, they will be joined in order, and they are having coordinates as A 4, 0, B 4, 1, C 3, 1, D 3, D 2, E 2, 2, F is 2, 3, then G 1, 3, H 1, 4 and last is I 0, 4. Then with help of scale, we will join these points so as to obtain the figure of stairs in the first quadrant. To find the mirror image of this geometrical figure, that is the figure of stairs which is in the first quadrant, we will be using the simple concepts of plane mirror, which says that the image of an object is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of mirror. That means we will be finding the mirror image of these points first, taking into consideration that the perpendicular distance, if x is as the mirror, then the perpendicular distance of the points from x-axis will be same as the perpendicular distance of the image of those points with respect to x-axis. So here A is having coordinates 4, 0, so its mirror image A1 is 4, 0, B is 4, 1 at a perpendicular distance of 1 unit from the x-axis, so its mirror image is also at a perpendicular distance of 1 unit from the x-axis in the opposite direction, having the coordinates as 4, -1. Similarly, we will be finding the mirror images of all the points and marking them in the fourth quadrant. After marking all these points, again with the help of scale, we will be joining these points so that we get the mirror image of the geometrical figure that we have drawn in the first quadrant, that is the figure of stairs. After drawing this figure in the fourth quadrant, we observe that both the figures are symmetrical to each other, and when x-axis is the mirror, we will observe that the x coordinate of the point remains the same, whereas the y coordinate keeps on changing. So we have a complete symmetrical figure, and we will, after drawing this stairs in the fourth quadrant, that is the image of figure with respect to x-axis, we will also be completing one observation table where we will write the coordinates of the mirror images of those points, that is A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1 and I1. Now I have already started marking the mirror image of the points with respect to the y-axis. That means the y-axis is acting as mirror now. So the point A is at a perpendicular distance of 4 units from the y-axis. So its mirror image is also at a distance of 4 units from the y-axis, but in the opposite direction, so as its coordinates now, that is A11, that is we are writing it as A double prime, in fact it comes out to be -4, 0. Similarly, we will find the mirror images of all these points with respect to y-axis, and we will be joining these points in order so as to obtain the image of the figure that is drawn in the first quadrant. Now here we observe that the mirror image is in the second quadrant, and and when y-axis acts as mirror, then the y coordinates remain the same. Y coordinates of the points, that is the point and its image, that is like for example the y coordinates, if we look for C and C double prime, the y coordinate is 1, whereas the x coordinate has changed. It was 3 in case of C, and in C double prime it is -3. So the figure obtained is symmetrical, and the x coordinate of the points, they change, whereas the y coordinates remain the same. Now for the pasting work, you will perform this activity on the graph paper and paste it in the space provided. You will also be completing the observation table when you are finding mirror image with respect to x-axis, and then when you are finding the mirror image with respect to y-axis.